Now this should, let's, screws are loose, come off somehow. Yeah, they just said remove. The instructions always just said remove. Oh yeah, okay, just remove it. How? Like that. So it's kind of a, to remove it, it was kind of a bit of a, like, this way and then back and out. Okay. So now with that out of the way, we can see what we're dealing with here in this latch. A little bit of corrosion or rust on here, knocking some of that off. So this train of gears needs to come out. But you don't want to mess it up. Like as far as get it out of order. Or out of timing. Because if you do that, you're pretty much screwed. And again, online they're like, yeah, just take it out. Cool. Just take it out. It is a plastic cover. If I'm... Alright, well. Time to consult. Remove gear train cover. Which I assume is this. This would be a gear train. And this is the cover. Just remove it. Out of the way. Remove the latch pivot screw and lower standoff screw. So, latch pivot screw, lower standoff screw. Again, we're going to use, what is this? The S2 T4? Yeah, S2 T4. Some pivot screw. And lower stand off screw. Now I gotta get in here and remove the spring. So this is the spring right here. Basically got to disengage it because it's applying constant tension. Ooh. Don't do that. Right, that's got to go down. So I'll be pushing on this. Man, there's got to be an easier way. It just doesn't want to push down. Or I'm being a wuss. One or the other. Might just be being a wuss. When the tool slips off, we're going to go and just modify this tool a little bit. Try and file a groove. Slit or something in that so I can push better. Maybe that'll be enough. Maybe not. Let's see. Just won't clear the catch. There's got to be something I'm missing. Gotta be something I'm missing. Well, after more research, and I'm not missing anything, I'm just being a wuss. This spring needs to go down and get on the other side of this catch. I mean, you could always bend the catch up a little bit. But, man, I don't know. It just doesn't seem like it'd be the right thing to do, you know? Like, how far down do I need to go to clear that? I don't even know that. See what else we got here. You just gotta go hard. You can't. Can't be gentle about that. Now with the spring free, you need to watch how it engages everything to make sure that it goes back in the exact same way. This little thing up front here, see that? That's important. Somehow got to get the slide off that post. There's a great. We were just about there. Ooh, there she be. So you can see the difference between, flip them around the right way, the old broken one and the new one. I mean, it's new as in it's the one that's going to be going into the camera. I think this actually came out of another parts camera. I found it on eBay. Yeah, it was like 14 bucks. So similar in design, but still, you know, slightly different. There's this is more reinforced as it comes around. So this must have been a first generation piece, I'd say. Because if you look here, you can see there's this reinforcement arm. There's no reinforcement arm here, so maybe they, you know, re-engineered this piece to kind of be a little more rigid after they found out that it kept breaking. Feels like it's out of a different metal too, like just something a little more robust. I mean, this one's pretty cheap. I mean, I just literally snapped it with my bare hands. So it's interesting how fragile this thing is.